Welcome everyone to our next online SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to create and check exchange rate type for your company code. So I will go transaction code SING, press enter here, then a web platform here, then go to general settings, then after currencies here, and here you can see the check exchange rate types. Click on it. So here you can see all the rate type are available. Generally people use M. So I will create one more exchange rate type for our company code. I'll select this as a reference and click on copy as here, and I'll change this M to 7075. Then click on continue here, copy, then click on press save, continue here. Now we can see your exchange rate type is created. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.